Hello.
Hey.
So, first of all, we have a really exciting news.
Yes.
You know what exciting news?
No, tell me.
You don't know what?
Tell me, Ayelet, what are
So,
the news?
we are going to get our first song. It's mixed or on the process of being mixed, but we're going to get it like in this week, and it's really exciting.
It is.
And then we're going to release it
But
soon.
until the song will not be in my hand, I will not believe.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying, but it's really exciting, and we're really happy, and we look like we're working on the news or something, me and you, like that. But yeah.
So our first.
Before we're going to tell you what are we going to do today, I will say that Bar all the time took the red marker to her hand because she really wants red, but I want the red also because green is ugly.
But you are green.
And
I'm red.
No. I don't know if you understand what we're talking about. It's about the book Surrounded by Idiots.
Yes.
It's a really good book that it's define every person to a color, like red, yellow, green, blue. Yeah. You can have mix, of course, but it's really good book. Maybe we'll do a video about this book.
Yeah, we will.
Today,
it's a game.
We're going to play a game.
Who knows the other? Like, you know, when Ayelet and Chanel were in the interview in Israel to see if they are really dating.
Yeah, like I did for him visa to live in Israel. So in order to do that, you're going to the immigration.
Yeah, and they ask questions, like to see if he knows her and she knows him, and they are really in a real relationship.
So they're taking you to two different rooms, and then they're asking, what did you do last night? Who paid the bill? Stuff like that. And then they know if we're
So now we will do something similar but different about our relationship. We will see if we are really
know each other.
Okay, so every question that I will ask, I will write here my answer and Ayelet answer. What does it mean? Like if the question is, what is your favorite color? At first I will tell my favorite color, and the second I will tell Ayelet what I think that Ayelet is favorite color.
Okay.
Okay, and the opposite for Ayelet. Ayelet will say her favorite color and what you think about my favorite color, and then we will compare the answers. Okay, so first question: who did you kiss the first time?
Okay. So ugly.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's not the same person, okay?
It's not fair. Red is better color.
It's not true. We answered this correctly.
So we have 1-1.
Yeah.
Adam, it's not the first person. We have 11 years between us.
It's not the same person, yes.
Yeah. What did I say?
Not the first.
It's not the same person.
Okay. Okay, second question. What is my favorite food?
Shit. It's not easy.
No. I think we have the same.
Hey, don't look!
I wrote already. 1, 2, 3.
Salad.
What did you?
Salad, you also sushi.
It's true.
You love sushi so much.
I am.
She's eating a lot of sushi.
Or ceviche.
Yeah, like a raw
fish. I love it. So
2-2?
Yeah.
Okay. But it's okay. It's difficult to choose. So our mom salad is a bit weird to love it.
Because in Israel we really love raw vegetables and a lot. Like you saw in our video. It's big salad. Like, I really like it.
Me too.
Yo.
It's from our mom.
Yeah. Okay, the third question is, what dream would you like to fulfill in life? Wow, this is difficult. Ayelet, you wrote the questions? I don't know about myself.
No,
I don't know about myself, but I know about you.
I don't know about myself, I know about you.
Ma? What do I want?
I got it. You ready?
1, 2, 3.
Bar, mom, therapist. I wrote bar, write a play to be a mom.
Wow.
It's true, no?
It's true. I already started.
Singer, performer, to be singer. I feel like we know too much.
Okay. Cool.
Bar really wants to be a mom.
It's true. But with a partner that I love. What is your favorite quality in relationship? Like
what is
in
the
friendship,
most important?
not relationship.
Friendship? Fuck, it's difficult.
I think
Yo, I don't know.
it's need to be one.
It's really difficult. Who wrote this question?
I know.
What? No, wait.
One, two, three.
We all so similar in the
In the things that we are looking
Oh
for.
my god, it's too much.
It's really important to us to trust people, and
Yeah.
we feel it in the minute
I feel
we
like
are
it's like
saying,
to feel confident. Like when we don't like the person in front of us, like for us, it's when we don't trust him.
It's not like
It's like when I don't trust a person, like I see the person, I want to be around him much. I cannot trust him. I don't know how to really say what does it mean trust for me, because what is it trust?
I feel it's a gut feeling. When you see the person, you can say either you can count on him,
Okay.
or not, and it's something that you don't need even to
think about
think
it.
about it.
Just
It's like
feel.
a feeling that a person can give to me
Yeah. And
or
then I
not.
know
In the minute
if you will be there, or for me, or for in the situation, or me and her, we have the same radar. Like when we see a person, it's like it's crazy. We see him, and then few minutes after that, when we're alone, we're like, I didn't like him, I liked it, stuff like that.
and then we can also try to understand what in him reflects
us
on
feel.
us or make us feel blah blah blah, and then to see if it's also reality. Like sometimes you can think that it's not trust.
Yeah.
You cannot trust on him, but sometimes it's just something in me and not in him. So you can break it.
Break it and
apart
understand
to
why.
Okay.
But it's crazy. We have the same eyes on people.
What do you miss most in life? Like what you don't have in life?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Why I'm so messy. You can see with
Career.
me.
I wrote also.
Career, money. I wrote like career, security of money for myself.
I'm good.
And ball partner.
Relationship. I thought that you will not succeed in this quiz. I don't know
Why?
I don't know. Because it was a difficult question. I thought to myself, like I look at this question and I don't know the answer myself. So she will know.
But I wrote that you can be also like I did an arrow here that bar can be also security of money.
But not really.
No.
It's security in my mind.
Yo, it's funny.
Okay.
Listen, it's too much. I feel like it's too boring. We know everything.
The next question is, what is your worst habit?
I don't know. Okay. What is this habit? Like,
It's something that you are doing and you don't like it. Like you are doing without, I think, control it.
okay.
You drinker, stop. No.
Okay, yeah, I think I am.
You have to, like yours and mine.
I think. I don't know. I think. But it's a bit superficial. But
Okay, for me it's not superficial. 1, 2,
Ready?
3.
biting nails. I wrote eating your nails.
Yeah, and you
Sugar in the
coffee. Don't speak when it's hurt.
I wrote fries.
Fries.
I'm eating the fries. I feel like it's more than sugar in the coffee.
You're right. Fries.
Don't speak when it's hurt. It can be also. But I don't know. I didn't take it as a habit. But
it's a habit. A habit.
So I think I won.
No.
I think you lost.
Maybe it's true.
You lost.
But I think that you didn't write about yourself.
What? Fries?
No, the habit that that when you don't speak when it's hurt, it's really good one. You didn't think about yourself.
Maybe, but I have more habits about you that I can say.
Say?
I would say sometimes getting pissed, like, and then your tone like really hard, and then you are like, you don't understand when did you get to this situation. She's like really, she's like start to speak like, okay, it can be like so small argument that we can argue about something. For example, with when she doesn't understand. Okay, now I know how to. Yeah. When she doesn't understand something, Bar can be like really. She's getting. You think that she's pissing at you. Now, okay, now for example, we had a situation with the paper, and then she cut it, and then I explained to her, no, Bar, we need 2 more, and then she was like, no, we have a lot, no, and then she didn't understand. When she doesn't understand something, she's getting like really speaking loud, and it feels almost like she's shouting and getting pissed of you, but it's like not an argue. Yeah, it's like that's what you feel, but it's not an argue. We don't have an argue. She just doesn't understand. So I feel like when she doesn't understand something, she's really defending herself. Yeah, I think this is so I think this is like it's something that happened like a lot.
You think it's worse habit? I feel it's defendable, and it's okay sometimes to be.
That's what I feel with my thing. It's defendable.
It's okay, you can say.
That's the reason, the habit I feel about eating nails and all these things. You understand? Like for me, like a bad habit, it's like something like, as you said, alcohol or smoking, for example. Like something that you're doing. I feel like all this, what you wrote about me and what I said about you, it's more like character and defend wall, and it's like it's not about habit. You cannot criticize.
Yeah, I can.
This is
agree with
more bad habit. Like you know that it's not good for your nails, and
okay, you won this question. Okay.
Bar is red. It's really difficult for her to lose in a competition, but we have a few more questions.
Okay, what is the thing that drains your energy the most?
Oh shit! Okay. I don't know. I know.
I don't know about myself. My energy. I have blackout.
I know. I think. Always my answers on myself are really short, and yours it's like.
My answers will be better than yours. You should be honest with yourself and say, "Wow, Bar, I didn't think about that, but it's better."
Okay.
Yeah.
You ready?
Wait.
Wow, it's so long. Okay, I'll read.
Okay.
Okay, you will read Bar first.
Bar, okay. When people are not in my mood and criticism.
Okay, so I wrote people, ex-partners, like boys, and when she is bored and she wants to do stuff, and then I wasn't.
People are not
in her mood.
Okay.
But the first one is also good. It's also drawn your energy a lot. Ex-partners, yeah. Like when you're thinking about situations that you had with boys and you didn't like and stuff.
Ayelet, criticism.
Like when people criticize me.
And unequivocal statement, like strong statement. When someone is saying something strong, it's like drawing your energy out.
I wrote arguments and period.
And period, it's true. But I don't know. I think that everything is
everything like together. It's like mine, people and ex. I think it's like equal. We're equal. We said different things about each other, but they're true also. Criticism. I didn't think about criticism much.
But it is something that draws your energy like hell. For me, it's less, but it's also because I worked on it.
Yeah.
a lot, but it's something that when it's happening, we
Yeah,
are
when
just
someone
going from there.
criticizes. Oh, a lot of things can draw my mood. It's not good.
What are you most afraid of? Beside people,
Death,
death
stuff
of
like
people.
that. Okay. That's right. I wrote on myself a lot, and you know.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
I don't think. Suffer pain. Captivity in Gaza. Shit, I didn't write it.
What did you write? What did you write?
To not find someone she wants.
No, this is not. It's not scary.
No, but someone you really want.
Yeah, but it's not my scare because I'm not scared. I know that I will find. Like I have trust in that.
Okay. And what did you write in Ayelet?
Jump from high places and rape.
I didn't write it.
What did you
Rape,
write?
it's good, but jump from high places. No.
It is. You don't want.
To water.
Yeah, to water. That's what I.
I didn't write to water.
Right, but this would.
I don't like in water, but to
That's what
jump like from.
That's what I. That's
I
what
wrote on myself earthquake or tsunami. This is tsunami. It's my
Tsunami is your.
biggest
It's
fear,
true,
I think,
it's
in
true.
life. And we were here while it was
Tsunami,
earthquake, and I
it's
was
true.
freak out. And to perform something that really scared me, and to not achieve my dream. It is also something that scared me, but
I think
it's difficult.
I think that I
questions.
was the one who won this.
I think
because
you
rape
were
is
more
true.
accurate with yourself, maybe. Although what I wrote, I feel like it's also.
I don't feel like that.
But
because
with me, I think we're
it's not
kind of
my biggest fear because I'm not afraid of it.
But this is not also my biggest fear. Jump from high.
Yeah.
Like I did it in the water. It's not something like I'm
Yeah,
overcome.
I
I
know.
just don't enjoy it much. And then it's like
But
kind
rape
of a
it's-
fear.
it is.
Rape it is. Rape it is. I didn't think about it. I was more like more fears that they are every day and not.
Tell me, what do you think? I won.
Oof, I don't know. Okay,
I think that I won.
next.
If you could change something about your character, what would you choose?
Yeah. Okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3. What are you saying?
Okay. Bar.
Yeah.
Less attacking, like to be less attacking and more confident.
And you?
And me more confident, react more in fights.
That's what I wrote. I said fighting minus, like minus fighting, fighting plus, like
More
more
self-confident.
you're more self-confident.
Yo, look, seriously.
I would think that it's biased, you know,
Yeah.
but it's not.
It's really not.
What encourage you the most?
Encourage you like to do.
I don't know if to do.
No, not necessarily to do. Like what encourage you when you are sad?
Yeah.
When you are sad. While you're sad. Okay. You ready? 1.
1, 2, 3. What did you write?
Okay. Ayelet.
Yeah, there's something different.
Jokes, hugs, to do fun things, but first time for myself.
Okay.
What did you write?
Hugs, clicky,
Clicky.
and great food.
Clicky, it's this. Food, it can be good. Great food, it can be good. But I like jokes.
Jokes also.
Like when I'm sad, I really
True.
need like
Someone will
like
get you out.
that you will be stupid. Like you will start to sing
Yellow,
to
will be
me.
yellow.
Yeah.
And what did you
Bar.
write about me?
Listen to her and then to take her out. Friends, hugs.
I wrote hugs and talking.
But then to take you out.
That's not me.
You cannot stay like in the bed. You
It
want like to
depends.
do
I can,
something
but yeah, after I feel.
She's like, okay, now it's like she said, crying, for example. Then you listen to her, hug her, and then she's like, okay, she's laughing a bit. jokes a bit, and then she's like, okay, Anna, what's now?
So I think we manage it. Okay. Okay.
I don't know each other too much.
What do you like to do when you get up in the morning?
Immediately?
Yeah.
To brush my teeth.
Why do you say the answer?
No, like immediately when I'm waking up.
Yeah, it's like what you
after
what person you are. Like when you get up, open your eyes. You wash your face and teeth. It's not
what do I like to do? I don't know. Finished?
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
You all the time
What?
why? We didn't write the same. You all the time hiding.
I'm hiding?
Okay. Me first.
Yes.
Bar. You first, Bar.
Take a shower and read.
I wrote meditation,
Meditation, it's true.
shower, sex.
It's true, but I don't have partner now, so
Coffee.
I forget about it.
But the coffee is the last one because I know that it takes you time till you want the
Yeah.
coffee, but at home it's like that. Okay, what did you write? I think mine
Be
is
silent.
better. Read. I don't feel like you are the person who reads in the like sometimes you are in bed.
Most
but
of time I am
Yeah?
reading, I'm reading, yes. Be silent. You don't want that nobody will interrupt you, like talk to you and start to blah blah blah. You are like
I need my time. I need my time.
read. You like to read, and phone.
Yeah, I wrote at home, coffee, read a book, and silence. I need like the first 1 hour that
Yeah.
people will leave me alone. It's, if I will let someone, I don't know, like even when I'm on the phone, I don't like to reply to messages or stuff like that. Like no connection to people. Terrible.
What is your favorite activity? I don't know. Like I know about myself. Your favorite activity is to eat.
That's what I wanted to.
No, that's good evening, ladies. Okay, so we're going to do a setup for a band's event tonight. And
We have just
2 minutes.
Yeah, and we're
2 minutes. 16 seconds. 60 seconds. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. You ready?
yeah. 1, 2, 3. My favorite. My roller coaster.
What? Wait.
Dance and emotion.
We wrote the same.
I wrote
Dance and
to
sex.
sleep,
This
chilling,
bar.
eating. You sleep, chilling, eating, and massage.
But I thought about this. but
Roller
it's
coaster.
like-
It's not true.
But it's more activity than this. This is the
But this
activity
is
that
your
I really love.
activity.
This is like activity that always I
No,
love.
so we didn't really.
No.
For me, this is activity.
How massage is activity? Not to do
Activity.
massage to someone to get massage.
No, of course, this activity.
Is it activity? I don't think so.
For me, it is.
I don't think so.
You don't like to be active.
I love to
much.
play machanaim, like a ball game.
Yeah.
I thought about it, but then I haven't done it in a while, so I don't know. So I think it's Tico, but Bar doesn't like to say
Tico is not a word.
it.
Tico is in Hebrew.
I think you're saying in English. I'll check it.
It's nothing. I will show you.
How do you say when your points, if you play a game and you have 1-1, like you're at the same point?
draw.
Draw?
Draw.
So it's
Tico.
a draw. Thank you. So that's it. I think I
So
won.
what do you think? We know each other? Thank you. It was nice.